Digital marketing has revolutionized how businesses connect with audiences. It's a cost-effective toolbox for reaching a global audience, targeting specific demographics, and achieving marketing goals. As AI, voice search, and social media evolve, staying ahead of the curve is key. Digital marketing offers several advantages over traditional marketing methods, including wider reach, measurable results, targeted marketing, and higher engagement. Whether you're a small business owner, solopreneur, or part of a large marketing team, understanding digital marketing is essential in today's digital age. Let's delve into 7 fundamentals of digital marketing aspects you should be familiar with, including website optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and conversion rate optimization, CRO. Crafting a winning digital marketing strategy involves setting smart goals, identifying your target audience, choosing the right platforms, creating compelling content, implementing SEO techniques, and monitoring and analyzing results. The ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing presents challenges such as keeping up with trends, adapting to algorithm changes, and competition. By acknowledging these challenges and implementing proactive strategies, you can navigate the ever-changing digital marketing landscape and achieve your marketing goals. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for more details.